say something about the bans of Chinese apps in India. It is a good step which is taken by our Honorable Prime Minister in June 2020, and its reason is that. There are a lot of users who is complaining that their privacy and their data is thefting from them. There are a lot of apps which is available, and another is in Make in India. So in my opinion, it is a very good step which is taken by our government to improve our economic condition.
I think the banning app of Chinese will promote the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat and also improve the technology of our India. In this way, we can make good technology and also generate employment.
I would like to add one more point. In the wake of security, the banning of Chinese apps is very good step. It also promoted Make in India. If we use apps made in India, we will grow up our economy, and also it increases.
I have a question to ask you, Mr. Harris. You're talking about is a matter of security. Couple of months ago, I heard about Zoom. Zoom is an application which is used for the work from home. And there were a lot of complaint about that Zoom application is sending transferring data, user data to the China. But we have not got even a single person complaint from the TikTok or from the other applications which are banned. So here I have a question that it was a kind of revenge taken by the government, or really it was a step just to protect the data of users. What do you say?
It is only ban of Chinese apps due to security.
It was a revenge or it was a security purpose?
Sometimes some people believe it was a revenge, and we believe that it was a good step against diminish the.
How this system will help India? That's the question.
My personal opinion.
Let him finish. How this system will help India?
The people who are illiterate will not use Chinese apps, because if they use Chinese apps, they do allow and hack the data from China.
Many educated person do the same.
Yes.
It's not the matter only illiterate people are allowing that. Okay, sir. Continue. Anyone?
Sir, we cannot deny also that it is not a revenge, it is not a security purpose, it is a competition purpose. If China is growing our app, I think we should be grow our app, because if we will ban the TikTok and all apps, then we are seeing that many of the apps are growing, like snake videos, moves. We are depending on our India. I think it is a competition. Our app is also growing day by day.
Yes, I can because that it is a competition. It is my personal opinion that it is a competition, that and it is also good for our.
I have a question to ask you. What kind of competition you are talking about? I believe that India wanted to show their power, because now we cannot deny that India is 130 crore population, and India is one of those countries which have the largest users of TikTok and other kind of things. And we have to accept it that the Indian economy is being controlled by Chinese economy is controlled by India. So I believe that India wanted to teach them a lesson that whatever money you are making, it is all given by India, and that was the reason that they banned the Chinese application. I don't think so. Yeah, a little bit I understand that there was a matter of data security, but here India wanted to just show them how much power they have, that whatever you guys are earning just because of, and they just banned only 59 Chinese applications, and there was hodgepodge in China. Everybody was talking about that China's economy is getting down just because of Indian step. How much you agree about it?
Zoom China का है ना? Zoom भी China का है?
Yeah.
Yes, I agree, sir, that the intention of our government that they are wanted to increase like campaign Make in India, and it is a good for our economic, because if we are using Make in India apps, it is a good because our economic and money also in our India, and not go foreign country.
In my opinion, I want to say that our government do good to ban Chinese app. It will appreciate to the
आज आप सुनो that China is first in every sector, and India is the great importer of every sector from China. And if we use the Chinese and we can become a digital importer also. That is a bad step. So our government has tried to diminish the importer and make the India grow up. So it is a good step.
Banning of Chinese app, the craze of India's apps are also increased.
I have a question to ask you, sir. Now, it is like that. I have some product, I want to sell it, but there is a competitor in front of me. So what will I do? I will just, defame it. That the product is not good at all. It means that I don't believe on my product, isn't it? Don't you think so? That India wanted to just launch a Make in India program. They wanted to promote this thing, but they don't believe that their product is powerful. And that is why the competitor is running away from the market, and that is how they will promote Indian products. Don't you think so? Is it a kind of mentality where India is having? Do you got my point?
In my opinion, sir, I want to say that. In my opinion, our government did not do in that purpose, in the purpose of competition, because competition is when two things are in same level. You can't say that competition of banning something and you say that competition. That's not a competition. Competition should be in same level.
So don't you think, you believe that the Chinese applications are more healthy to be used? If they are more healthy, if they are not more healthy to be used, then why Indian customers are attracted towards Chinese applications? When on the same way they have Indian applications to be used. Recently I heard that India is also planning to launch its own web browser, especially you talk about Chrome web browser, UC web browser, mobile phone, in almost every single mobile phone UC web browser is there. But we also got some Indian web browsers that are available, you can download and you can use. Many of users downloaded those applications and they tried to search everything, but they are not able to get at whatever they wanted. So that is why the reason is they are attracted towards the Chinese applications, because they are not getting those kind of things which they really want, and that's why they are switching to that. Is it? That's what the point is.
I want to say that the purpose of banning the Chinese app was not the competition or to promote Indian app. The main purpose was security purpose. The security purpose they banned Chinese app. That's why
I have a question to ask you. There was no even a single person complaint from TikTok or from other kind of things. Yeah, I heard about Zoom that there is a little bit complaint, and Zoom is not fully Chinese application. Here also America is a co-partner of Zoom application. So here I found that, but all of a sudden after the dispute between China and India in border, all of a sudden 59 applications are banned. So here somehow it comes in our mind that it was a kind of revenge that India wanted to teach to the China. That's what I'm asking.
this can be also a revenge.
As we know that India is said to have the largest users on the world. When we are using the Chinese app, we are contributing in the economy of China. And when we will ban that, our Honorable Prime Minister banned these Chinese app and promote our youth to make this type of...
If Indian Prime Minister was having a single dream just to decrease the economy of China, why does he not ban totally all the applications coming from China and also all the goods?
He is trying to ban he cannot ban all the
5 years ago I heard something about from the Indian government that they are planning to boycott Chinese goods. But I don't think so that something is happening in the market. Still Chinese goods are sold easily and are being purchased.
But we are using less because when we are seeing in Diwali, many people are not using Chinese LEDs and people are contributing with the government.
Yes,
and my point is that when we are
Yes, I am agree with you. Instead, I want to add one more line, and that many youth have become unemployment. We can enjoy a lot. We can enjoy a lot by playing a TikTok video, snack video. We can learn many things by using snack video. So
it should not be bad.
According to me,
in my
It is also fact that many type of people are became celebrities with the help of the app of Chinese TikTok.
But according to me,
when
there are
these
less
apps are
people.
banned, what is
Now I'm
what-
going to ask a question to Mr.
what will happen in
Ritik.
their life?
Everybody is talking about it was a good initiative taken by the Indian government. We are talking about unemployment here. TikTok was one of the best job providers, especially you talk about many illiterate people are also using TikTok and they are making huge amount of money. What was the plan of Indian government when these thousands of people will be unemployed? How would they earn money? At least by one hand they are making money. Maybe that they are using Chinese application. By one hand they are making money. So how do you see this step taken by the government for those unemployed, especially youth? You may say that there were a lot of videos of viral at that time that especially girls are crying. They are crying that I will even commit suicide. So how do you take this step in that way?
It is a good step. I am saying that it is a good step because if you are banning the Chinese app, if you are depending on Chinese app, I think China will be the take a opportunity to the to hack the data. But if you are forcing our citizens to go through our app, our country app, I think it will be a good. If you are earning some money, from the Chinese app, it is a good. If you are giving all data for some money, it is not a good for our country. If you are saying that it is a rebel, we should be rebel. We should be competition to China. Why should not? We should be rebel because every in a competition, the whole world is in competition. We should be in a competition. If we are banning the Chinese app, if we are our citizen giving a chance to promote our app, we have to promote. We should not be talk about the it is rebel.
You did not answer my question, sir. What is the backup plan for those people who became
As we
unemployed?
know that many of the apps are going on in our country,
Like
Snap videos, emos videos. The citizens are also showing our talent from there.
Who says Snack Video is Indian video application? Sir, you need to research. Anyone else?
Maybe
are-
maybe I want to say
there are
something.
many kinds of
Sir, I want to ask a question. When you are fighting with me, how can I help you? Because when we are using that your apps and I am giving you money and I am strong.
I am making your army stronger.
Yes.
According to
And
me,
that army will fight against me.
according
How can I help?
So that's what I'm saying. That yeah, I totally support this step. But on the one hand, you are saying that I'm just taking this step just to save the data of users. Then I would not admit it. It was something else. The portrait was different, but the intention was totally different. That's what I want to say, sir.
According to me, 15 Chinese app ban was a good step of our government. As we have seen, there are less people who became famous through the Chinese apps like TikTok, but millions of people who are misguiding through the Chinese apps.
And when we are using
Like, sir?
Like they can make video by doing stunt and they kill.
So same as YouTube, always available. Will you go for the banning YouTube, sir?
Sir, I want to add more point. When we are using Chinese app, we are totally dependent on the China's.
Okay.
But when we will ban these apps, our youth got opportunity to discover new apps and we can improve our infrastructures and we can reduce the unemployment from our society.
Sir, at last I would like to get conclusion, please.
At last, I would like to conclude that Chinese app banning is a very good step for our India. As if we talk about why our government is not banning all apps and all goods and services, because we have to give the answer in the World Trade Organization in the world. We should not be ban all goods. But if it is a good step, the some apps is banning because it is a part of our competition, make in India, and also is some parts of data security. I think it is a good step.
Sir.
According to me, I think that whatever occurs, that is good in India. By our PM, it is very good to ban Chinese app. That's it.
Banning of Chinese apps is a good step. Due to this step, we can improve our youth by using these apps also misleads to our daily life, and it was bad. So
At last, I want to conclude that the banning of Chinese app was very good, and Indian government should make Indian youth to promote to make make their own apps and develop them, then India will grow.
According to me, the banning of Chinese apps was a very good initiative was taken by our government. It helps also the make in India, by which we can grow app and in which we can use and get money.
At last, I would like to conclude that ban Chinese apps is a good step for us, but it is a promotion of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, and if we are ban the Chinese app, we should promote Indian apps and make many Indian apps.
At last, I want to say I am really appreciate this step which is taken by our government, because in one hand it is a very beneficial for our youth, because we can develop more and more apps, and youth can got opportunity to discover new things. But we should have to think about the backup, because there are a lot of people who are earning their livelihood from these Chinese apps which is banned. So government should have to take the backup for that.
It is a good initiative taken by our government. With the help of this initiative, we can increase and encourage the promotion of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India.
It is good step and we should cooperate with our government and invented and discovered new apps which is good for the youth and our country.